In this question, one cell is given that is a redox cell, that is zinc react with the Cu2 plus ion to produce Zn2 plus ion and copper. So for this reaction, we have to calculate the Gibbs energy change, that is delta G0. So here we can see that zinc is undergoing oxidation, they are producing Zn2 plus ion, and Cu2 plus ions are undergoing reduction, they are producing copper metal. So we have the equation for the Gibbs energy change, that is delta G0 is equal to minus NF E naught cell. So here N is the number of electrons transferred. Here it is given that 2 because zinc is losing 2 electrons to get Zn2 plus ion, and Cu2 plus ions are accepting 2 electrons to get copper. So here N is equal to 2, that is the number of electrons transferred is 2, and here the value, that is the Faraday's constant, is given 96500, but the E naught cell, that is the electrode potential, is not given for the cell, but we can calculate the electrode potential of the cell by using the equation E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. So here, as I told you, here the zinc is anode, that is undergoing oxidation, and copper is cathode undergoing reduction. So the electrode potential of cathode is the potential of copper, that is 0.34 minus, and electrode potential of anode is given as minus 0.76. So it will be minus 0.76. So the final answer is 0.34 plus 0.76, that is 1.1 volt. Now we are substituting the value here. So you will get minus 2 into 96500 multiplied by 1.1. So the answer will be minus 212300 joule per mole. If you want this value in kilojoule, you can convert into minus 212.3 kilojoule per mole. Now, the second part of this question, give two advantages of fuel cell. Okay, we know that fuel cell are the cells which will convert combustion energy into electrical energy. The important advantages of fuel cell are, the first one, they are pollution free, and the second advantage is they are high efficient. That is, the high efficiency is another advantage. Next one, here some pairs of compounds are given, that is some pairs of solutions are given, and we have to select the one with higher conductivity, that is the electrical conductivity. The first pair given is the silver wire at 30 degrees Celsius and silver wire at 60 degrees Celsius. We know that when temperature is increasing, the resistance is increasing, conductivity is decreasing. So here the silver wire at 30 degrees Celsius have comparatively low temperature, so resistance will be low, so they have high conductivity. So silver wire at 30 degrees Celsius have high conductivity. Second one, 0.1 molar acetic acid solution and 1 molar acetic acid solution. So we know that when the dilution is increasing, degree of ionization, that is the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte, increases, and conduction is increasing because of the number of ions are increasing. So here you can see the first one, that is 0.1 molar acetic acid solution is diluted than that of 1 molar acetic acid solution. So they will have high conductivity because of the high number of ions, that is high degree of dissociation. So that will be the answer. And the third one, potassium chloride solution at 20 degrees Celsius or potassium chloride solution at 50 degrees Celsius. So here we know that the potassium chloride solution at 50 degrees Celsius will have high temperature, that is at high temperature the mobility of ions will increases in case of the strong electrolyte, and hence the conductance is increasing. So the potassium chloride solution at 50 degrees Celsius will have high conductivity than that of the potassium chloride at 20 degrees Celsius.